bloody motors. Every day. Hey faves, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new here because you're gonna want to stick around. So I'm trying some different styles with my mini twist, and of course I left the ends out because I wanted them to look crinkly, so I added some mousse at the ends just to revive them. And now we're gonna start off with a few styles. I haven't never had mini twists before. This is my first time, so I was like, let me go ahead and experiment while I can. I want to see what's cute. What can I do? What do I like? What don't I like? So we're going to start off with putting the front of our hair in the side part and then adding a scrunchie in the back to hold that down in place. Now after that, we're going to take the whole thing and just get one of our big scrunchies and tie up the whole thing and pulling that up as well. Okay, so this is a basic style, but of course it's a ponytail, but we're adding a little bit of flare in the front with just putting like a side part in. So it looks really cute, y'all. Like when I say these mini twists are so convenient, like I really don't have to do anything. I just was experimenting. I was really feeling it. I was like, okay, I'm feeling myself. So now we're gonna try to do I think it's called a pineapple. I'm not too sure what the style is called, but I see a lot of people with dreadlocks do it, and my friend, she does it on her hair all the time with her dreadlocks. So I was like, maybe I can try to do this with my mini twist and like put some pieces out in the front. For this style, we're gonna need a whole extra scrunchie just so that we can keep the hair in place. We wanna get it like high up, and then we wanna have like it just fall down. So you guys will see in just a second, but I used a second scrunchie just like in the middle of it, in the middle of the ponytail, just so that it could stand up pretty tall. And then I just fixed it and made sure that everything was falling into place. And it actually came out pretty cute. I kind of like this style. Of course, when you're doing this, make sure you use a black scrunchie so that it matches the color of your hair. I used my white one because I could not find my black one. I literally lost it within a few seconds. I don't know how that happened, but make sure you use a black scrunchie. Now, this scene, I was just smiling for no reason. I probably was watching something and was trying not to laugh, but we're gonna try to do a different style, maybe like more of like a low hairstyle. So we're still going to put those pieces in the front to the back and put them in a hair tie, but we're gonna leave out two pieces in the front just to give it some flair. After that, we're gonna take another scrunchie and we're going to do like a half up, half down situation. Once we do that, you're gonna need a claw clamp or claw clip, whatever it's called, as well, just so you can put the hair up. I wanted to try something different, so I ended up putting in a headband just to give my hair some versatility with some accessories. Now you can do this with a scarf or a headband, or you don't even need to use a headband either. Like, you don't have to have that, but we're tying my hair up in the back again. Yes, again. And then we're gonna just put the headband over where the part is from the front to the back, and it actually came out pretty cute. Now my mini twists in the back do have box braids, so it is a little bit more chunkier. In the front, it's way more flatter just because I did knotless. Now, if you want all your mini twists to be really, really flat, I definitely suggest doing knotless. Now, for me, this is actually a personal favorite. I just always wear my hair in a bun. I've worn my hair in a bun for years, even when I don't have braids or I have my own hair out. Just in general, I really like how a bun looks on me, a messy bun at that. So I started off with putting my hair into a ponytail, taking one section and then tucking that piece into the scrunchie. Then I took the other side and did the same thing as well. You can leave a few pieces down just to give it some flair, but I like to do mine a little bit messier, so I took another scrunchie, and I like my buns pretty high up. So if you want to make your buns higher, you can always use another scrunchie to add on in between the bun just to make it messier and have it like higher up. Now, this is a style I've actually done before with my natural hair. And I was like, you know what? Let me just try it with the mini twist. It might look crazy, but I still wanted to try it regardless. Just because the mini twists are so versatile, I was like, we can do almost anything for real. So I just went ahead and put my hair into 3 sections. And then I wrapped the hair around itself into like a bun. So I basically did like 3 buns. And then after I got done, I was like, let's add some flair into the front. So we took out 2 pieces from the front and had those down, and yeah, we just had 3 buns, and this is actually pretty comfortable. Now, this hairstyle I'm about to do, I wasn't the craziest about it, but I have done this hairstyle with a quick weave. So I was like, maybe I can do something similar with the mini twist. So I put the hair into 4 sections in the front. After I did the 4 sections, I basically took each one and then I started to braid them down. So like I said, I did 4 sections in the front and braided each section down. Once I braided it down, I went ahead and just tried to like basically tuck it under itself so that it was giving like a butterfly look, like a butterfly braid up at the top, and then the rest of it just being down, kind of like a half up half down situation. Now if you see my other videos, then you know exactly what style I did with the quick weave with this. Now I wasn't crazy about it with the mini twist, but this style in general is actually really cute with some quick weave hair or just your natural hair in general. But yeah, y'all, this is the last style. I just put it up and had those braids up at the front stay there. But this is the end of the video, you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.